Have you ever taken a bite of a McDonald's chicken nugget and wondered, what really goes into making this crispy little piece of chicken? Is it just meat shaped into tiny bites? Or is there an entire world of machines, workers, and secret steps behind it? And here's another thought. How can McDonald's make millions of nuggets every single day while keeping them all exactly the same? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to show you the entire journey of the McDonald's chicken nugget. From raw chicken arriving at massive factories to the final golden brown nugget that lands in your Happy Meal, you'll see every stage of the process. By the end of this video, you'll never look at nuggets the same way again. The beginning of the nugget story. To understand the modern McNugget, we need to rewind history. Chicken nuggets didn't appear by accident. In the 1950s, people were already enjoying fried chicken, but it was messy, time-consuming, and not exactly convenient for fast food restaurants. A food scientist named Robert C. Baker wanted to change that. He invented a method to turn ground chicken into small shapes that could be battered and fried without falling apart. His creation wasn't famous back then, but it was the foundation of what later became the chicken nugget. McDonald's noticed the potential in the late 1970s. Customers loved burgers and fries, but the company wanted something new, especially something that could attract kids and families. With the help of Tyson Foods, they designed a product that was easy to cook, fun to eat, and consistent in taste. By 1983, the Chicken McNugget officially launched nationwide in the United States, and it exploded in popularity almost overnight. Today, McDonald's sells billions of nuggets every year across the globe. But how do they make so many? And how do they all taste exactly the same, no matter if you order in New York, Tokyo, or London? That's where the fascinating factory process begins. Step 1. Fresh chicken arrives. The nuggets journey starts at huge food processing facilities, often operated by suppliers like Tyson Foods in the US or other certified plants around the world. Trucks carrying freshly processed chicken arrive daily. Only certain parts of the chicken are selected for McNuggets. Mainly, the white breast meat and tenderloins are used, while other parts of the chicken are sent off for different McDonald's menu items or other food products. Before anything else, the chicken is inspected for quality. Workers trim off excess fat, remove any leftover bones or cartilage, and prepare the meat for grinding. Contrary to myths you may have heard, nuggets are not made from mystery pink slime. Instead, they come from real cuts of chicken, handled under strict hygiene standards. Step 2. Grinding the meat. Next, the chicken cuts are loaded into a massive industrial grinder. These grinders can handle hundreds of pounds of meat in just minutes. The chicken is broken down into a fine texture, turning solid cuts into a uniform paste. This grinding process ensures that every nugget will have the same texture and taste. The smoother the paste, the easier it is to shape and cook later in the process. But ground chicken alone isn't enough. It needs flavor, consistency, and structure. That's where the mixing stage comes in. Step 3. Mixing with ingredients. The ground chicken is transferred into enormous stainless steel mixers. Imagine a giant kitchen mixer, but big enough to hold hundreds of kilos of meat at once. Inside, a carefully measured recipe of ingredients is added. Water to keep the meat moist, salt for seasoning and preservation, starch to bind everything together, chicken skin for extra flavor and texture, spices and seasonings for taste, natural extracts like rosemary to keep it fresh. This combination turns the chicken paste into a flavorful, sticky mixture that can hold its shape. Every batch is tested to make sure the recipe is perfect. McDonald's doesn't leave room for mistakes. Flavor has to be the same whether you're eating nuggets in Chicago or Paris. Step 4. Shaping the nuggets. Now comes the fun part. the nugget shapes. If you've ever noticed, McDonald's nuggets aren't random. They come in 4 standard shapes: the ball, the boot, the bell, and the bone. This isn't just for fun. It helps the nuggets cook evenly and gives customers a familiar product every time. The chicken mixture is pumped into a shaping machine that flattens it into sheets. Special cutters then stamp out nuggets in those 4 signature shapes. Thousands of nuggets are formed every single minute. Freshly shaped nuggets are soft and pale. They don't look anything like the crispy treats we eat. That transformation happens in the next stages. Step 5. The coating process. Nuggets wouldn't be nuggets without their crunchy, golden outside. This coating is applied in 3 stages. Pre-dip batter. A thin layer of liquid batter is applied, so the next layers stick. Flour dusting. Nuggets are rolled in seasoned flour for flavor and texture. Tempura batter. A thicker batter gives the nugget its signature crispy shell. The coating line is fully automated, with nuggets traveling along conveyor belts as sprayers and rollers apply each layer. By the end of this stage, the nuggets finally look like what we recognize, but they still aren't cooked through. Step 6. Par frying. The nuggets move into a massive industrial fryer filled with hot oil. But here's the secret. They're only fried for a short time. This step is called par frying, and its purpose is just to set the coating. The inside chicken is still raw, but the outside becomes crispy and golden. Without this step, the nuggets wouldn't survive freezing and shipping. Step 7. Freezing. Immediately after frying, the nuggets go into a blast freezer. This tunnel drops their temperature rapidly to around 18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezing keeps them fresh, locks in flavor, and ensures safe transport to McDonald's restaurants. Inside the freezer, cold air circulates at high speed, freezing each nugget in just a few minutes. This quick freeze method prevents ice crystals from forming, which could ruin texture and taste. Step 8. Packaging and shipping. Once frozen, nuggets are sorted, weighed, and packaged into large sealed bags. Robots and workers load them into boxes that are labeled, coded, and tracked. Before shipping, random samples are tested in the factory kitchen. Workers fry a few nuggets, taste them, and check color, texture, and crunch. Only if they pass every test do the nuggets leave the factory. From there, refrigerated trucks carry the nuggets to McDonald's restaurants across the country and around the world. Step 9. Final cooking at the restaurant. At this point, the nuggets are ready for the last stage. In each McDonald's restaurant, they're kept frozen until it's time to cook. When a customer places an order, nuggets are placed into fryer baskets and submerged into hot oil at around 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Celsius. In just 3 minutes, they turn perfectly golden and fully cooked inside. They're then kept warm in heated trays, boxed into familiar nugget cartons, and handed to customers. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, the McNugget is ready to enjoy. Why nuggets became so popular? So why did nuggets become one of the most successful fast food items in history? There are a few reasons. Convenience, small, easy to eat, perfect for kids and adults. Consistency, tastes the same no matter where you order. Customization, works with dipping sauces, fries, and other menu items. Speed, can be cooked in minutes, fitting McDonald's fast service model. It's not just a snack. It's a carefully engineered product designed to fit perfectly into the fast food world. So now you know, the McDonald's chicken nugget goes through an incredible journey before it lands in your meal box. From carefully selected chicken cuts, grinding and mixing, shaping and coating, par frying and freezing, all the way to final cooking at the restaurant. Every step is designed to guarantee the same crispy, golden nugget every single time. Next time you dip one into your favorite sauce, remember, it's not just a nugget. It's the result of decades of food science, powerful machines, and strict quality control. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Food Factory for more amazing behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods are made. And if you found this video interesting, you'll definitely love our previous one: How McDonald's Hamburgers Are Made in Factory. Trust me, it's just as fascinating to see how those famous burgers are produced on such a massive scale. Thanks for watching,